Hi everyone! Today I am excited to share with you a no-bake lazy cake idea. This cake is incredibly easy to make and turns out both beautiful and delicious. It melts in your mouth with every bite. So let's get started! Here's what we'll need. Mix together 2 cups of chilled heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar or to taste, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Set your mixture to high speed and whisk until the whipped cream is stiff and holds its shape. Next, prepare 30 ounces any of your favorite cookies and take a cake pan. I use 9 by 8 inch square cake pan. Now we are ready to assemble the cake. Alternate layers of cookies with layers of whipped cream. Repeat until you reach the top of the pan. Finish with a layer of cookies. I crush the remaining cookies into crumbs and sprinkle them over the top. Cover and refrigerate the cake for at least 2 hours or overnight before serving. Once the cake has chilled, melt 1 ounce of dark chocolate in the microwave. Drizzle the chocolate over the cake. And for an extra touch, add some fresh berries and mint leaves on top. But feel free to decorate it however you like. And that's it. Your cake is ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this lazy cake recipe. Thank you for watching.